Well, years ago, the French came a-callin'. Now, this was a sheep farm, and it had been a family sheep farm for, I don't know, 60 years or more. It was a sheep farm before the Pfeiffers even took over. So what happened was, it was time to do something different. And so Robin, who was the middle son, decided that he was going to go and buy some cattle. Well, the week that he was going to buy the cattle, they were going to also get rid of the sheep, go for the cattle. Robin likes to say that they fed the best sheep to the coyotes that live around this property. So they really wanted to get the cattle. But that year, or that week, the French called and said, "How much do you want to sell your property for?" Well, Robin said, "It's the family farm. It's not for sale." Well, hung up the phone. Couple of days later, a real estate agent called representing the French and says, "How much do you want for those 70 acres of south-facing slopes you have up there?" Well, now Robin's curiosity is up. He bumps into somebody who knows a little something about wine in the state, and the guy said, "Oh, it's the French. They lost a blind taste test in Burgundy, France, to Oregon. So now they're coming up here looking at county topographical maps and identifying grape-growing properties." So now the light really goes on for Robin, and he brings in an expert who says, "You know, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we have out here?" And the man looks at the land. He says, "You got bell pine soil, 15 out of 10. He says, "My goodness, you've got a stream that runs at the bottom of the hill. It takes all the frost off and carries it away." He says, "That's a 15. You have 500 to 750 foot elevation. You've got a 15 here. And you're at the back of a valley, perfect terroir, wonderful sustainable climate, microclimate is perfect. That's a 15. He says, "My God, you can grow Pinot Noir here." So Robin goes to the family and he says, "Well, all we know about grapes is that when they're dried, they become raisins. But," he said, "from now on, we're going to learn everything there is to know about growing Pinot Noir." Robin goes to the first Oregon State University seminar or symposium on grape growing in Oregon, and there is a Frenchman behind the registration desk. He takes Robin's papers, turns the papers around, and he goes, "Pfeiffer, ah, so you know." And that was the beginning. And way back in 1983, Robin actually completed or was near completion of this wonderful vineyard.